Welcome to my channel. I want to go over how to use the pyttsx3 library to convert text to speech. First, we install the library. I use the PyCharm IDE to do this, but if you want to do it yourself, here's the code. As you can see, you just use pip install, and then the library name. And that's it. After installation, the library is easy to use. Here's the code. All we do is import the library and then initialize the engine, give it some text to speak, and let it go. I think the number of voices that can be spoken depends upon the voices that are already installed on your system. Mine had like 80 already installed on it, so I wrote this little thing where different voices randomly chosen each time the program runs. It's very straightforward. It's up there on the screen. And that's all you really need to know to get started with this library. If you'd like to take a look at the documentation, it's here. It's pyttsx3 read the docs.io. And that's it. Let me know what you think of the library. Did you find it helpful? If you'd like to receive more short videos like this, please let me know in the comments.